Come on, let's be real. Scooping litter sucks. That's why, in today's video, we've scoured through the latest tech to bring you the absolute cream of the crop. The top 5 automatic litter boxes that'll have you and your cat living the high life in 2024. No BS, no hype, just real talk about which ones will save your sanity and keep your cat happy. Stick around to see which box is worth your cash. Oh, and here's a pro tip for you. I've hunted down the best deals on these automatic litter boxes, so when you're ready for an upgrade, just scroll down and check out the links in the description. Now let's get into the video. First up at number 5, we have the Casa Leo's Loo 2. This sleek and stylish automatic litter box is making waves in the pet tech world, and for good reason. Let's break down what makes it stand out from the crowd. One of the coolest features of the Leo's Loo 2 is its smart home capability. That's right, this litter box can be controlled with your voice. It syncs up with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can activate it without lifting a finger. Imagine being able to say, "Alexa, clean the litter box," and having it done. Pretty cool, right? The Leo's Loo 2 also boasts a quiet cleaning cycle, which is a big plus for both you and your feline friends. No one wants a noisy contraption scaring their cats away, right? This box keeps things hushed, so your cats can do their business in peace. Now let's talk about the design. The Leo's Loo 2 comes in 4 eye-catching colors: avocado green, baby blue, Leo gray, and pretty pink. So not only is it functional, but it can also match your home decor. Who said litter boxes can't be stylish? But it's not all about looks. This automatic litter box means business when it comes to hygiene. It uses UV sterilization to blast the waste drawer with light rays that kill most bacteria and viruses. The waste drawer on this bad boy is also impressively large. For single cat households, you might only need to empty it once a week. However, if you've got a multi-cat crew, you'll probably be changing it more frequently, about every 48 hours for 2 large cats. One thing to keep in mind is that while the Leo's Loo 2 is great at many things, it can be a bit trickier to clean compared to some other models. But hey, no litter box is perfect, right? Overall, the Casa Leo's Loo 2 is a solid choice for tech-savvy cat owners who want a quiet, stylish, and hygienic automatic litter box. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of high-tech pet care. Alright, moving on to number 4 on our list, the PetKit Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, also known as the Pura X. This sleek, spaceship-like contraption is turning heads in the world of automatic litter boxes, and it's easy to see why. First off, let's talk about that design. The Pura X looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its cool, minimalist aesthetic will have your cats feeling like they're doing their business in space. But it's not just about looks. This design is functional too. One of the standout features of the Pura X is its incredible odor control. If you're tired of your house smelling like a litter box, this might be the solution you've been dreaming of. The Pura X uses an automated deodorant spray that keeps those nasty smells locked away. What's more, it operates using an internal cylinder that fully rotates the litter reservoir, passing it through a filtration screen to remove clumps of waste. You can set it to do this manually, on a timer, or automatically after your cat is done using it. Talk about convenience. Another neat feature is the chute that allows you to load new litter from the top of the machine. No more bending over and getting a face full of litter dust when you're refilling. It's these little touches that show PetKit has really thought about the user experience. Now, let's talk about the app. The PetKit app offers a ton of useful data, tracking your cat's weight, toilet times, and other info. It's like having a little cat health tracker right on your phone. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The entry hole on the Pura X is on the smaller side, which might be an issue if you've got larger cats. The interface on the device itself is also quite minimalist, with only 2 buttons used to navigate a small OLED display. While it's usable, some might find it a bit limiting compared to other models with more comprehensive on-device controls. Despite these minor drawbacks, the PetKit Pura X is a strong contender in the world of automatic litter boxes. Its odor control is top-notch, it operates quietly, and it's easy to clean. Plus, it looks cool enough that you won't mind having it out in your living space. Now let's move on to our number 3 pick. Coming in at number 3, we have the PetKit Pura Max self-cleaning cat litter box. If you thought the Pura X was impressive, wait until you see its big brother. The Pura Max is the supersized version of the Pura X, and it's designed with multi-cat households in mind. If you've got a cat crew at home, this might be the automatic litter box you've been waiting for. Let's start with its standout feature, capacity. The Pura Max boasts an extra-large waste compartment that can handle multiple cats with ease. But it's not just about size. The Pura Max has some serious odor-fighting capabilities. It features a tightly sealed waste compartment with a built-in chamber for an odor-eating block and an automatic deodorizing sprayer that gives the interior a fresh spritz when your cat is done. Like its smaller sibling, the Pura Max cleans itself by tumbling litter over grates that separate your cat's waste and return the clean litter to the main compartment. One of the coolest features of the Pura Max is its multiple cleaning options. You can set it to cycle after every use, ensuring that each of your cats finds a completely fresh litter box every time they enter. The Pura Max isn't just great for multi-cat households, though. It's also an excellent choice for anyone with larger cat breeds. The entrance is a roomy 10 by 8 inches, making it comfortable for even the biggest kitties. Plus, the entrance is only 8 inches off the ground, making it accessible for senior cats or those with mobility issues. Now, let's talk about tech. The Pura Max is app-controlled, allowing you to monitor your cat's bathroom habits and trigger cleaning cycles from your phone. One minor drawback to note is the size. At just over 2 feet wide, the Pura Max does take up a fair amount of space. But hey, if it means less time scooping litter, it might be worth clearing some room. Overall, the PetKit Pura Max is a solid choice for multi-cat households or those with larger cats. Its capacity, odor control, and cleaning efficiency make it a standout in the world of automatic litter boxes. And hey, speaking of standouts, don't forget to check out those links in the description for the best prices on all these litter boxes. We've done the bargain hunting, so you don't have to. Now let's move on to our runner-up. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have the Litter Robot 3 Connect Cat Litter Box. This automatic litter box has been a fan favorite for years, and it's easy to see why. Let's start with its tried-and-true cleaning mechanism. Like its newer counterpart, the Litter Robot 3 Connect uses a rotating globe that sifts through the litter, separating waste from clean litter. This system has been refined over years of development, resulting in a reliable and effective cleaning process. One of the standout features of the Litter Robot 3 Connect is its app connectivity. Through the app, you can monitor your cat's bathroom habits, get notifications when the waste drawer is full, and even trigger cleaning cycles remotely. Now, it's worth noting that the Litter Robot 3 Connect is a bit larger and louder than some newer models on the market. It's also not quite as sleek in design as its successor, the Litter Robot 4. But for many cat owners, these minor drawbacks are outweighed by the Litter Robot 3's proven track record and lower price point compared to the newest model. And now, taking the crown as our number 1 pick for the best automatic litter box of 2024 is the Whisker Litter Robot 4. And this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what an automatic litter box can be. Let's start with the design. The Litter Robot 4 looks like something out of a high-tech pet care catalog. It features a wide-open circular entrance atop a more square base. This design isn't just about looks, it's a significant improvement over previous models. The entrance is more than 5 inches wider than its predecessor, making it inviting and accessible for cats of all sizes. But the Litter Robot 4 isn't just a pretty face. This bad boy is packed with features that make it a game changer in the world of automatic litter boxes. First up, let's talk about its cleaning mechanism. The Litter Robot 4 works by maintaining a supply of litter on a heavy-duty fabric hammock. After your cat does their business, the interior sphere performs a slow barrel roll, sifting out the clumps and returning the clean litter to its original position. One of the coolest features of the Litter Robot 4 is its advanced sensor system. It uses both motion and weight sensors to track when a cat enters and exits the box. This means it can create custom data for multiple cats, differentiating them by weight. Now let's talk about the control panel. The Litter Robot 4 features big, colorful buttons that control a wide variety of settings and cleaning options. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel like a pro. What's more, the Litter Robot 4 also comes with a companion app that allows you to monitor your cat's bathroom habits, get notifications when the waste drawer is full, and even trigger cleaning cycles remotely. It's like having a smart home device dedicated entirely to your cat's bathroom needs. Cleaning the Litter Robot 4 is a breeze, too. The waste drawer uses tall bags that are easy to remove and tie off, even when full. And if you need a deep clean, you can remove the entire barrel and hose it down. It's built to last, with sturdy components that don't feel fragile or finicky. Now, no product is perfect, and the Litter Robot 4 does have a couple of minor drawbacks. It's on the larger side, so it might not be ideal for small apartments. And like many automatic litter boxes, it can sometimes lead to more noticeable odors when you open the waste compartment, since the waste is separated from the odor-absorbing litter. But overall, the Whisker Litter Robot 4 stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its innovative design, advanced features, and user-friendly operation make it the top choice for cat owners looking for the ultimate in automatic litter box technology. And there you have it, our top 5 automatic litter boxes for 2024. Before we wrap up, here's one last reminder. For the best deals on all these amazing automatic litter boxes, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. We've hunted down some perfect prices that'll make your wallet as happy as your cat's. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.